Yes, thank you. Good afternoon, Finovate. I'm Steve Shivers. I'm CEO and co-founder of Doxo, the all-in-one bill pay application for web and mobile. And every year, U.S. households spend half of their income paying bills. And worrying about overdrafting our bank accounts is one of the most stressful parts of bill pay. How do I time those payments to not overdraft? So today we're here to demo and introduce for the first time our overdraft protection feature for bill pay. With every single payment, our users will be able to see their real-time verified bank balance at the same time as they're making that payment to ensure they can stop overdrafts for once and for all. And we announced this new capability this morning with our strategic partner Plaid to bring this to market. Before we go to that demo, let me quickly tell you about Doxo. We started this company for a simple reason. There's an explosion of innovation happening in payments, but somehow bill pay is stuck in a time capsule from 2001. Very little innovation is trickling into bill pay, and we want to bring that innovation to bill pay. So our all-in-one application enables you to pay all your bills through a single login with any payment instrument on any device. Over 2.6 million paying users to date and growing, and they've helped us build a directory of over 50,000 billers payable on our network, the largest in the US market. With me today is Jim Krayenhagen, who leads our consumer and marketing activities.
We're constantly asking our users how to improve their bill pay experience. And one problem that always floats to the top is overdrafts with their banks. Banking overdrafts is a big problem for consumers. 1 in 4 overdrafts their account every year, averaging over $100 in banking fees. Our mission at Doxo is to simplify the experience and reduce the anxiety around paying your bills. And reducing overdraft protection is one of the features that we're adding.
The CFPB says over $15 billion a year in fees are charged by banks to consumers. That's a shameful number. If you're a bank executive in the room, you're quietly applauding, but you should be looking at the floor. It's a terrible number. It's expensive for consumers, but it's also really expensive for billers. Failed payments cause service interruptions. They cause customer care. It's billions in wasted expense for billers as well. So let's see the demo and see how Doxo stops overdrafts on bill pay for once and for all.
So I'm the average American consumer. I have a household income of $59,000. I have 12 recurring bills that I need to pay, and today I just got an email from my Doxo account that my Geico bill is due. Now, I'm not going to log into my account because we've all seen how you log in, and I'm also not going to go through the process of connecting my bank account through Plaid. I've already done that. So you can see the benefit of that is now within my Doxo account, I can see that in my Bank of America account, I have $251 to spend. That's my available balance. And I need to pay my Geico bill. You can see the other recurring bills I pay, so I pay my Geico bill. So let's say I'm moving fast and I didn't pay attention to the amount that's in my bank account, so I pay something higher than that amount. Oops. And you can see I've been protected now. Doxo has caught the fact that I would have done an overdraft in my bank, and they've enabled me to know that. So the great thing here about Doxo is I have multiple monetary instruments stored in my account. So I could pay with a credit card, or I could pay with my Apple Pay account. But in this case, I'm going to choose to just pay a smaller amount to my bank account, to my Geico bill at this time. So I verify that the amount's correct, and I go ahead and send the payment. And there you go, my payment's on the way. Another great feature of Doxo is I get real-time tracking, so I can see at any given time where my payment is in the process it's at in going to Geico. I see all the other important details about my payment, and I can take a look at my payment history and see all the other payments that I've made to Geico in case I ever need to come back to my account. So consumers win when there's transparent information about all of their accounts and their available bank balance in a single secure account.
Thanks, Jim. So there you have it. Verified bank balance in real time while I pay my bills stops bill pay overdrafts forever, saves billions for consumers, saves billions as well for billers. Less failed payments, less customer care, less service interruptions. So why are we at Finovate today? Well, Doxo sits at a crossroads between consumers and the billers that serve them, more than 50,000 that we can pay on our network, and the financial institutions users pay their bills with. And so if you're a biller, we'd love to talk to you. We'd love to have you join our network and get paid faster and get paid more reliably through our features like overdraft protection. If you're a financial institution, as you've seen here today, you can now extend your brand into the payment experience for every single household bill. If that's interesting to you, we'd like to talk to you. And if you're a financial fintech innovator, we'd like to talk to you. As you've seen a month ago, we introduced Apple Pay for the first time for 50,000 billers across the country. In a single day, it lit up for the whole bill pay market of the country. Today, we're bringing overdraft protection to 50,000 billers. If you have a financial innovation that you think applies to bill pay, we'd like to learn more about it and explore opportunities together. So we'd welcome talking with you at our booth, and thanks for your attention.